Hello my words, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. So for today's vlog guys, it's meron po tayong updates tungkol dito kay Edward Barber. Yes guys, nakakagulat dahil nga po si Edward, nag-host po siya sa 18th birthday ng dating The Boys Kids noon, nakasabayan ni Laika Gayranod na si Esang, na kung saan si Edward po ang naging co-host nung gabing 18th birthday po ng isang dating The Boys Kids na si Esang. Yun guys, panoorin natin guys ang maikling video na to, ang kaganapan sa gabi ng 18th birthday po ng isang dating The Boys Kids na si Esang. Narito na guys, panoorin po natin.
It's debut time! So today, I'm going to be hosting the amazing Esang's debut. Happy birthday! Yeah, not nervous at all. Totally chill.
Great evening, and the party is just getting started, so I'm Edward Barber.